YouTube welcome script, short, engaging, and attention-grabbing. Hey treasure hunters! What if I told you that a simple 1984 Australian $1 coin hiding in your pocket could be worth thousands, maybe even millions? That's right, some of these rare coins are turning ordinary Aussies into overnight millionaires. In today's video, we're diving into the shocking truth behind these ultra-rare bicentennial era coins and how one tiny detail could change your fortune forever. Stick around, you do not want to miss this goldmine of information. Let's get started. Australia's $1 coin from 1984 holds a fascinating place in the world of rare and valuable collectibles, especially when it comes to its connection with the country's bicentennial spirit and historic minting anomalies. Introduced to replace the $1 note, the 1984 coin was Australia's first circulating dollar coin, and it wasn't just any ordinary issue, it marked a new era in Australian numismatics. What makes this coin particularly enticing for collectors and investors today isn't just its introduction, but rather a combination of historical relevance, minting quirks, and limited editions that have sent its value skyrocketing in recent years. While the standard 1984 $1 coins were minted in massive quantities, over 186 million. To be precise, some incredibly rare varieties and mint eras have captured the imagination of collectors and auction houses alike. Among these, a few have become almost mythical in their rarity, with whisperings of certain specimens reaching values in the tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. These aren't just coins. They're hidden treasures, often overlooked in old wallets, sock drawers, or tucked away in long-forgotten piggy banks. If you happen to stumble upon one of these rare anomalies, it could change your financial future in the blink of an eye. One of the most sought-after versions is the so-called double-bar kangaroo coin, identified by two faint parallel lines behind the neck of the kangaroo on the reverse side. This detail, the result of a die clash or design oversight, is rare and highly coveted. Another incredibly valuable variety is the proof coin that was never released into public circulation but occasionally appears in auctions. These coins, struck using specially prepared dies and planchettes, have a mirror-like finish and are worth many thousands of dollars to the right buyer. Even minor die cracks, off-center strikes, or variations in the Queen's effigy on the obverse can turn an ordinary coin into a numismatic jackpot. But what truly elevates the 1984 Australian $1 coin into a class of its own is the way its bicentennial narrative has evolved. Though the coin itself does not bear the bicentennial label in its design, it represents a crucial step in Australia's journey toward its 1988 bicentennial celebration. Collectors often include it as part of a bicentennial coin set, especially when paired with commemorative issues from that era. This has caused a sharp rise in demand for high-quality and unique versions of the coin as collectors seek to complete their sets. The increasing interest from international numismatists has only fueled the fire, pushing rare examples of the 1984 dollar to eye-watering valuations. If you're lucky enough to possess one of these rare variants, especially those in uncirculated or proof condition, you might be sitting on a small fortune. Some reports have circulated of coins fetching upwards of $10,000 or more, particularly when certified by a reputable grading service like PCGS or NGC. The most pristine and unique pieces can command even higher prices, with some unconfirmed rumors suggesting private collectors have paid six figures for museum-quality examples. In the speculative world of rare coins, a perfect storm of rarity, historical importance, and collector demand can send prices into the stratosphere. Part of the coin's allure also lies in the psychological thrill of discovery. There's an almost magical sense of possibility that comes from rifling through your change or checking a forgotten jar of coins in the attic, only to discover that you might be holding a life-changing artifact in your palm. Social media is full of stories of ordinary Australians and international collectors who've turned forgotten coin stashes into five-figure windfalls. These aren't just urban legends. Verified sales and auction results confirm that certain Varieties of the 1984 coin have achieved massive returns for their lucky owners. As the market for rare coins continues to grow. Driven by online auctions, numismatic forums, and dedicated Facebook groups, the 1984 $1 coin remains a hot topic. Interest shows no signs of slowing down. Collectors and investors alike are snapping up any example with potential value, and the rarer the variety, the fiercer the competition. If you think you may own a 1984 $1 coin, especially one with unusual markings, pristine condition, or minting anomalies, it's well worth having it professionally appraised. In some cases, a seemingly mundane coin could be worth more than a luxury car or even a house. In the grand scheme of coin collecting, the 1984 Australian $1 coin is a compelling reminder that true value often hides in plain sight. It's not just a piece of metal. It's a symbol of national transition, artistic craftsmanship, and numismatic excitement. While many coins are discarded without a second glance, a select few hold the kind of value that can alter lives. So before you spend that old coin or toss it in a donation jar, take a closer look. What you thought was just loose change could in fact be your golden ticket? Absolutely. Here's a second short YouTube intro paragraph designed to grab attention and build hype. With a 10-minute video in mind, today we're unlocking the jaw-dropping secrets of one of Australia's most mysterious and mind-blowingly valuable coins, the 1984 $1. You might think it's just spare change, but guess what? Some rare versions of this coin are being snatched up for tens of thousands, even six figures. From hidden minting errors to ultra-rare proof strikes, this little coin could turn your coin jar into a jackpot. If you've got any 1984 coins lying around, don't even think about spending them until you watch this. This could be the most valuable 10 minutes of your life, so stay tuned and let's dig up some treasure. Let me know if you want a third one for your outro or video hook. Old coins, rare coins, super coins, history coins, big money.